In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Miss Word error the file cannot be opened. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Word. This is our starting point, and it's crucial because it allows us to access the tools we need. Once you have Word open, you'll be able to see the familiar interface. From here, we can proceed with the necessary steps to resolve the error. Next, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see the File menu there. Click on it. This menu is your gateway to all the file operations. It provides access to features like opening, saving, and sharing documents. Clicking on File will bring up a list of options on the left side of the window. From the list of options, select Open. This action will prepare Word to find and open the document you need to repair. You may notice that there are several choices here, but Open is the one we need to focus on. After clicking Open, you'll want to choose Browse. Selecting Browse prompts a new window to appear. This window is where you can navigate through your files and find the one causing trouble. Now find the file you want to fix. Use the File Explorer to locate it on your computer. Take your time to ensure you select the correct document, as choosing the wrong file could lead to confusion down the line. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. This step is important because it identifies the document that Word needs to repair. With the file selected, look for the arrow beside the Open button. This arrow provides additional options for opening the file, which are crucial for troubleshooting. Click on the arrow to reveal a small menu. Here, you will find the choice we need, Open and Repair. Select Open and Repair from the menu. This option is specifically designed to fix issues with files that cannot be opened normally. It's a powerful tool that attempts to recover as much content as possible from a damaged document. If everything goes well, the file should open in Word. At this point, it's important to save the file with a new name. Doing so ensures that you preserve the repaired version without overwriting the original. This new name acts as a backup, allowing you to keep both the original and the repaired copy. You can do this by clicking File again, then selecting Save As. Choose a location and type in a new name for your document. This makes sure your changes are saved safely. Microsoft recommends this method because it often successfully recovers documents that seem beyond repair. It works by analyzing the file for errors and attempting to correct them. This little step might save you a lot of time and data loss in the future. Remember, if this process doesn't work on the first try, it might be worth attempting once more. Sometimes, giving Word another chance to repair can make a difference. If the file still cannot be opened, consider seeking additional help or using third-party recovery tools designed for Word documents. With that ready, you now have the knowledge to tackle this common issue confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.